So this video is about how to become a builder with tax deeds. Now, I am so blown away about some of the information that I have been learning about tiny homes. I feel like that is going to be the next industry. But what I really love is the fact that especially on over the counter, they have a lot of land in certain areas. So I'm working with someone right now in one of my Oklahoma lots about a tiny home. And it's going to be a phenomenon because I wanted to actually title this video how to get a house for like 60 grand and below. But then I was like, I don't know about the profit margin. But anyway, I'm going to hopefully have like a little screen here, if I can actually figure out how to do that, is show you how now, I don't know if you guys heard about it. I will have it in the comment section, a link to it. It's actually on YouTube where they actually ship a house and they actually put the house up in an hour, and it's basically a tiny home. It's so beautiful. And so I'm gonna actually put the video here. It's gonna be like a 5-minute video, and I'm gonna show you how you can literally buy a lot and put a house on it, and you would just pad your money for what you paid for the lot. Like, so say for example, you would double your money with the lot, or I have to figure out how the financing terms would be on that. But literally Tesla has sustainable housing, which is they have tiny homes for 15, but this particular place, I think it was like 30 or 40. If you look at the video, I'm gonna play it in a second, but it was really interesting. So stay tuned and watch this video because I think it's phenomenal. I think it's gonna be the next best thing to house buying, because you could literally buy a house for under 100,000, and it's also going to be good for people that are investing in tax deeds, because now you can get land for really cheap, double or triple your money, put one of these homes on it, and then combine it all together. And now you have not only helping people do ownership, but you can also do effortless cash flow. So anyway, I just wanted to share that thought. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have you watch this video.
And we are done in Texas. We have just put up this beautiful boxable, and let's take a look what it looks like inside, and we'll be showing the VIPs tomorrow. And look at that, what an absolutely beautiful space. It is in fact a boxable. What do you get? You get a lovely kitchen with a beautiful bathroom, all contemporary. A great living room area, nice place to sit, nice fireplace TV, which rotates so you can watch TV, in bed, if you're not looking at yourself in the mirror. What house do you know comes with a scannable code? By the way, you know you're a high-tech product, right? So, and if I sit back, you'll notice the sight lines go all the way to the back. We even have glass shelves so you can see to the back. Is that feng shui? I don't know, but it is lovely. We've got a lovely breakfast bar here on this Z counter. Absolutely fantastic. And look at all these lovely monochrome colors, mini splits, much better than regular HVAC. No germs or anything like that that you get in traditional ducts. Full-size appliances, giant fridge, and nice breakfast bar for two. Super nice organizer closet. And what do we have peeking out in there? Oh, look at that, boxable shirts. What a surprise. Nice queen size bed. How about that for 400 square feet? And all super organized, including drawers with rockets and spaceships. And pretty nice. I hope the folks tomorrow like it.
So in a nutshell, I just wanted to kind of go over what you just saw and how it's a game changer for affordable housing. I believe this will be the next best thing in the future. Look it up. There are so many different tiny houses and different people coming out with these, buildable homes that you can literally put together in less than in 8 hours. I mean, Tesla has one. This is buildable. There's so many different companies. There's a company out of China that has came out with one. At the end of the day, the best thing is, in my opinion, is finding one that is much affordable for everybody. So far, of course, Elon Musk, which I didn't put in this video. I might do a later video, and he hasn't came out with it, but I believe his is going to be like 15 to 20,000. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what